This unboxing comes all the way from Edinburgh in Scotland. This is Fractal Panda Diecast Racing, so let's open her up and have a look. There's the contents of this parcel. These are 2 entries into Season 2 of Road Warriors. We are truly going global with Hot Car Track and Mount Western Raceway. So I reckon let's get stuck straight into it and let's have a look at this little guy right here. This first one we're looking at is called the Flying Brick, and James Kirk will be behind the wheel. This is a modified Jeep SUV, and they're telling me here the manufacturer is Teamsters with an ERZ, Teamsters. I haven't raced a car on the track that has these sorts of wheels before, but given the weight, the combination, it might actually go very well. This modified Jeep is weighing in at 104 grams, and this is the successor to the Flying Brick that raced on 3D Botmaker's King of the Mountains, so I'm not familiar with that. So let's just hope you go really well here. The Flying Brick with James behind the wheel. This next one is called Purple Haze, and the driver is the Fractal Panda. This is a Hot Wheels. This is a modified Ford Escort Rally. One of my favourite colours is purple. Look at the headlights. I love that. And purple on the front. And these wheels just spin. Look at that. That goes forever. So it looks like it's an Escort 2016 Rally. Very nice. This one here weighs in at 94 grams. So good luck heading into Road Warriors Season 2. Now, only one of these cars will go into Road Warriors Season 2, with the other already locked and loaded for Season 3 of Road Warriors. As this is only an 8-car competition, spots are limited. A very big thank you to Fractal Panda Diecast Racing all the way from the other side of the world in Scotland for sending in the Flying Brick with James Kirk behind the wheel and Purple Haze with the Fractal Panda behind the wheel. Road Warriors Season 2 will begin very shortly. We're just waiting on other teams to arrive from around the world, and as you know, with the current situation, mail is very slow at this point in time. So thank you once again, and we'll catch you later.